22.8 million house and lot here in Angeles City, Pampanga. Located in a prime area just minutes away from Clark and other major establishments. Super accessible, perfect for families and investments. So ano, tara! What's up guys? Broker Jordan here. Panibagong araw, panibagong house tour na naman. Pagpasok mo pa lang, may pocket garden, 2 carport at steps papunta sa main door. Now, let's head inside. Ang ganda ng living area. Very modern yung design, high ceiling, and premium finishes. Dito naman yung dining at kitchen area. May modern appliances, malinis at maayos yung layout. Here is the first bathroom for guests and for the first bedroom. May kasama ng bed, aircon, at built-in cabinets. Sa likod, nandito rin yung maid's room, utility area at water tank setup. Very practical and well-planned. Dito naman ang lanay area, kung saan makikita yung pool with waterfall feature. Perfect tambayan at pang-relax. Check out this custom staircase. Isa sa favorite part ko ng bahay. May double high ceiling, elegant chandeliers, at malalaking bintana na nagpapasok ng natural light. Here is the family area. Perfect for bonding or just enjoying some quiet time with the family. Moving on to the bedrooms. Each comes with its own private bathroom for added convenience. They're fully furnished with cozy beds, air conditioning, a TV rack, and built-in cabinets for plenty of storage and clutter-free space. And finally, here is the master's bedroom. Super spacious, high ceiling, may sariling vanity table para sa morning routine mo at malaking walk-in closet na connected sa bathroom with jacuzzi. Plus, may private balcony pa kung gusto mo mag-enjoy ng view o uminom ng morning coffee. This house is for sale. If interested, message lang sa page. Bye-bye!